Fireworks, Japanese fireworks.
Guys, we're here, Fujiyama, right here in Melbourne, Florida. Let's go. Waiting to go in. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool here, guys. Pretty cool vibe. Just waiting on our food. Ginger.
No mushrooms.
No mushrooms, no mushrooms. Watch your eyebrow. I looked at Falvin. He was like, salty, sweet, blah, blah, blah. They're talking about giving away a cruise for cheap toilet.
Oh, really? What's that? What time is that? Yeah.
One of the rooms, they will switch the person's name on it and book it and they win. Butterfly.
Oh, butterfly.
And hopefully by I don't know the ins and outs of that.
Yep, thank you. We've got the rice.
Next year, I get the most expensive.
I have a shrimp out.
You've been to February, right?
Yeah.
You want me to change the meat?
No, you're fine.
Everything's looking good.
It was.
Fireworks, Japanese fireworks. Is there any like teriyaki or like mustard sauce or stuff?
Chicken.
Well, the thing was, it was like, all right, do what you got to do, but I ain't gonna be home till May. Right, that's what he said. That's why Mr. Bruce is leaving around next year. Yeah. Well, he
Just got the vegetables. Thank you.
everybody enjoying.
Thank you. Yeah, guys, we'll review it in the car. All right, Mom. So what did you think of everything?
Today was very, very good. Today I switched it out. I had steamed rice,
Yep. Guys, 10 out of 10, dude.
carrots and vegetables.
The carrots are good, the vegetables are good, the
And
filet's
tea.
good, the chicken's
Yeah.
good.
It was delicious today. You gotta come.
I got the sweet tea to go.
And at lunchtime, you can try it at lunchtime. It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, guys, and definitely check out the playlist section.
Always good.
We cover restaurants all over Florida, and every night at 8 p.m. I upload new YouTube shorts. So please watch, and thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Oh, 1 out of 10?
A 10.
10 out of 10, guys. Hey, thanks
You
for
gotta
watching.
come.
Yep.